am going to present a different method of doing a buckle carrier pretty much entirely one-handed. I already have the buckle carrier on. The waist belt is fastened and tightened properly, and I have already crossed the straps in the back and loosened the straps significantly, so I have now created a big pouch, a much bigger pouch than my baby needs. My baby is asleep, so I'm going to use Pooh Bear. So we take the baby and put the baby on the chest and then snuggle the baby down into the pouch, and their legs will go between the buckled strap and the bottom of the pouch on both sides. And then we will tighten all the straps. Fortunately, squeezing poor baby, but tighten all the straps, and then you have your baby securely in the buckle carrier, and you've done it pretty much entirely one-handed. And that's that. And then you have the crossing in the back so that it's very easy to do one-handed, unlike trying to do the chest clips on the back for the buckle backpack style. And then to get baby out, you just loosen on both sides. Squeeze your poor baby, and then lift your baby out the top. Thank you.